Good morning, children. Welcome back to your science class. Let's continue our chapter number 4, birds. Today's topic is feet and claws. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, protect themselves from enemies, and to move about. Birds have different types of feet and claws. Let's read about birds like eagles, hawks, and owls have very strong claws. Their claws are called talons. With the help of talons, they catch their prey, and these birds are also called birds of prey. Let's read about claws of perching birds. Birds like sparrows, crows and minnows have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. These toes help them to hold the branches of a tree very tightly, so even when they are sleeping they cannot fall down. They are therefore called perching birds. Birds like hens and cocks have strong feet with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. These toes have very sharp claws to scratch the grounds. Therefore, these birds are called scratching birds. Let's read about claws of climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers and parakeets. They have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. These toes help them to climb and to cling. Cling means stick onto the branches. So these birds are called climbing birds. Birds like ducks and geese have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The front toes are joined by a skin called a web. So the webbed or paddle-like feet help them in swimming in the water. Let's read about wading birds. Birds like cranes and herons have long thin legs with spreading toes. These feet and toes help them to wade through muddy water. So these birds are also called wading birds. That's all for today. Thank you.